First, open Leonardo AI and sign in to your account. If Leonardo AI is not working correctly, don't worry. There are several simple troubleshooting steps you can try before assuming there is a major problem. Start by checking your internet connection. Open another website in your browser and make sure your connection is working normally. Next, refresh the Leonardo AI page and try again. If the website still isn't working, close your browser and reopen it. You can also try accessing Leonardo AI in a private or incognito window. Another useful step is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes old or corrupted browser data can cause websites to behave unexpectedly. You should also make sure your browser is updated to the latest available version. If Leonardo AI loads, but a particular feature doesn't work, check whether that feature is currently available for your account or plan. Sometimes a feature may be temporarily unavailable, limited by usage, or changed as the platform is updated. If image generation is failing, check your prompt and generation settings. Try a simple prompt first to see whether a basic generation works. If you're having trouble signing in, carefully check your login method and make sure you're using the correct account. You can also check Leonardo AI's official status or support information if the problem appears to be affecting many users. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Leonardo AI support and provide details about the problem, including what happens when you try to use the platform. Remember that website interfaces and troubleshooting options can change over time, and that's how you can troubleshoot Leonardo AI when it's not working in